किया होगा। नहीं किया है तो कोई बात नहीं, हम यहाँ पर जल्दी से कर लेते हैं। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हिस्टोग्राम? When you want to represent, when you want to represent grouped data, which data? Group data
Group
in
data.
graph, it is known as histogram. मैं छोटा सा आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ। मान लो कि आपकी क्लास की स्ट्रेंथ है 60, मैंने एक मैथ्स की टेस्ट ली, 20 मार्क्स, 20 मार्क्स की मैथ्स टेस्ट का मैंने अनाउंसमेंट किया। जब उसका रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ तो फॉर एग्जांपल हेड टीचर ने मुझे बुलाया या फिर प्रिंसिपल ने बुलाया कि सर आपने जो अभी टेस्ट ली थी उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन करके हमारे पास आना है, हमको थोड़ा काम है आपसे। मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मैं रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर देता हूँ। मैं क्लासरूम में आया, 20 मार्क्स की टेस्ट थी, इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि चलो भाई 0 to 5 मार्क्स, 5 to 10 मार्क्स, 10 to 15 मार्क्स एंड 15 to 20 मार्क्स। इस तरीके से मैंने 4 ग्रुप बना दिए। तो चलो भाई सभी ग्रुप में मैं देखता हूँ कि किस ग्रुप में कितने स्टूडेंट है, किस ग्रुप में कितने स्टूडेंट है। मैंने क्लास में आकर अनाउंसमेंट किया कि चलो भाई बिटवीन 0 to 5 हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग मार्क्स। तो मान लो कि आपके ही क्लास में से 10 गर्ल्स ऐसी थी जिसने बताया कि सर हम लोग फेल हो गए, हमारे मार्क्स 5 से कम है। फिर 5 to 10 मार्क्स का मैंने पूछा कि चलो भाई 5 to 10 मार्क्स में कितने हैं, तो बताया कि सर 15 है। फिर मैंने देखा 10 to 15 में कितने थे कि सर 25 है, और 15 to 20 में थे कि बताया 10। तो ये जो पूरे क्लास का डेटा मैं जस्ट 1 मिनट में भी नहीं, 1 मिनट से कम टाइम में मैंने ये डेटा आपके क्लासरूम में से कलेक्ट कर लिया। बट यू नो दिस डेटा, इट इज नॉन एज ग्रुप्ड डेटा, इट इज नॉट इंडिविजुअल डेटा। इसमें मुझे ये पता नहीं चलेगा कि मिसबा के कितने मार्क है, शिफा के कितने मार्क है, सकीना के कितने मार्क है, फातिमा के कितने मार्क्स है। नहीं, ये पता नहीं चलेगा। हाँ, मगर इतना पता है कि 0 to 5 इस ग्रुप में इतने स्टूडेंट, इस ग्रुप में इतने स्टूडेंट, इस ग्रुप में इतने स्टूडेंट। So it means it is known as grouped data. And when you want to represent this group data in a graph page, it is known as histogram. In histogram and single bar graph, we have one common difference. In histogram, it is group data, it means all bar are connected. सिंगल बार ग्राफ में आपने देखा होगा अभी आगे की स्लाइड में यहाँ पर कि देखो सभी बार जो है वो क्या है, सेपरेट है। जब हम हिस्टोग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो वहां पर सभी बार एक साथ कनेक्टेड होंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि वो सब ग्रुप डेटा है। क्या है वो?
Group data.
ग्रुप
Group
डेटा है।
data.
अब जल्दी से यहाँ पर देख लो कि किस तरीके से मैं ग्रुप डेटा को यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट कर देता हूँ। देखना अच्छी तरीके से। मान लो कि यहाँ पर मैं कोई एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ वाई एक्सिस, और ये हो गया आपकी एक्स एक्सिस। यहाँ पर मैंने लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी, ठीक है। यहाँ पर मैंने एरो दिखा दिए, ये हो गया आपका एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस। ये हो गई आपकी वाई एक्सिस। ओके, इट इज 0। अब देखना हमारे पास जो ग्रुप है ना, वो उस ग्रुप को हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे एक्स एक्सिस पर। तो मान लो कि 0 to 5 फर्स्ट ग्रुप है, 5 to 10 सेकेंड ग्रुप है। देखो यहाँ पर इक्वल डिस्टेंस तो मेंटेन करना ही है, हाँ ये बात खास याद रखना। और ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस आई एम शोइंग द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लो कि ये हो गया आपका 5 स्टूडेंट, ये हो गया 10 स्टूडेंट, ये हो गया 15 स्टूडेंट, राइट, ये हो गया 20 स्टूडेंट। थोड़ा सा और ऊपर जाएंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास 25 स्टूडेंट है, तो मान लो कि थोड़ी सी लाइन और ऊपर कर लेते हैं। ये वाई एक्सिस, ये हो गया मान लो कि आपका 25 student. Okay, now see. Now what we have to do? Now just we are making a bar. For example, between 0 to 5, how many students are there? 10 students. So I am drawing one line at 10 and making one bar. You can see. No, wait for a minute. Okay. It is between 0 to 5, we have 10 students. Between 5 to 10, we have 15 students. So we are drawing one line. Okay. Between 10 to 15, we have 25 students. Okay. Then 15 to 20, again 10 students. Okay, now see, I am making a bar. Okay, see, between 0 to 5, we have 10 students, so we are representing 10. In 5 to 10, 15 students, we are representing 15. In 10 to 15, we have 25 students. And between 15 to 20, we have 10 students. Now you can see this graph is known as histogram, in which you can see all the bars, first bar, second bar, third bar, and fourth bar. All the bars are connected instead of first single bar graph. In single bar graph, we discussed that every bars are separate. Here, all bars are connected. It is the basic difference between single bar graph and histogram. Single bar graph we can use whenever we have individual data. Here we are using histogram because of group data. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now first draw this histogram, then you can start exercise 5.1. Draw this fast. Written, all of you? Girls,
Yes, sir. Yes.
written? Hmm?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see exercise 5.1. For which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? Simple, you have to use histogram whenever you have group data, right? Now first question, the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. નહીં એમાં કઈ હિસ્ટોગ્રામની જરૂર ન પડે કારણ કે નંબર ઓફ લેટર બધા કેવા છે અલગ અલગ જ છે, રાઈટ? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ એ લેટર થી સ્ટાર્ટ થતા હોય એવા એરિયા, બી લેટર થી સ્ટાર્ટ થતા હોય એવા એરિયા, તો એ બધા કેવા કહેવાય? સેપરેટ. સેપરેટ કહેવાય એટલે ઈ સિંગલ બાર ગ્રાફ બને, હિસ્ટોગ્રામ યુઝ ન થાય. Second question, the height of competitors in an athlete meet. Yes, it is correct, in which we can use histogram. Why? Because of બધાની હાઈટ અલગ અલગ હશે. જે રીતના કે માર્ક્સ બધાના હતા એ રીતના માની લો કે ભાઈ 0 ટુ સોરી 0 તો હાઈટ ન હોય કોઈની. માની લો કે ભાઈ 150 to 155 સેન્ટીમીટર ઇટ ઇઝ વન ગ્રુપ, 155 to 160 second group, 160 to 165 third group, 165 to 170 fourth group. It means whenever you discuss about height you can use histogram. Then third, the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. નહીં, બધી કંપની જે છે અલગ અલગ જ છે. માની લો કે કંપની A produces 20 cassette, company B produces 25 cassette, company C produces 30 cassette. It means it is the individual production of each company. So it means we cannot use histogram in this question. Then fourth, the number of passengers boarding train from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. Yes, in which we can use histogram. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., if you want to make a group, you can make 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. first group, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. second group, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. third group. Like this, you can make lots of group and it's become group data. So we can use histogram. So in question number one, in only two cases, the height of competitors in athlete meet, and the second, the number of passenger boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. In these two cases, we can use histogram. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the
Yes,
answer
sir.
in B and D. Second and fourth, we can use histogram. In first and third, we cannot use. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Write down this four statement. Written all of you? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see second question. The shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as man, capital M, woman, capital W, boy, capital B, or girl, capital G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. હવે જો તમને અહીંયા જે છે ને કઈ રીતના એક શોપ છે એની અંદર લોકો આવે છે, કેટલા મેન આવે છે, કેટલા વુમેન, કેટલા બોય, કેટલા ગર્લ, એનો તમને એક અહીંયા ડેટા આપેલો છે, ઇન્ડિવિડ્યુઅલ ડેટા. હવે આમાંથી પહેલા તમારે ટેલીમાર્ક્સ ફોર્મ કરવાનું છે. So in telemarks we have four different things: man, woman, boy and girl. And we can draw a vertical line and count this, it become frequency, and then after we have to make a single bar graph. So just I am counting here, you can see.
Sir, woman rather.
For example, first we are counting women. So you can see the first three women, then 4 and 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Right here given that total women 28. Now we are counting. Oh my god, wait for a minute. Okay, now see. Okay, now we are counting men. You can see first men, then second, third, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Male coming are 15. Now we are counting boy. Okay, now we are counting boy. B1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 boy. So B is equal to 5. Then girl. Okay, now you can see in girl, first girl, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 girl. So we are counting this number of male, female means woman, boy and girl. It means it is telemarks. You can see now we are making telemarks here. We have four things, right? Men, woman, boy and girl. In men we know that how many men are there? 15. So we are making four vertical line and one slant line. Again same thing means 5. Again same thing, so we get 15. In women, how many women are there?
28.
28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3. It means it is 28. Right? How many boys are there?
5.
5,
5. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many girls are there? 10.
12,
10.
Now count it. 15 plus 28. 15 plus 28. बोलो.
sir
43.
12. Yes,
43
sir,
क्या
12.
12?
43.
Girls are 12.
43 plus
Sir,
5.
12.
Huh?
Girls are 12, sir.
Yes, girls are 12. Correct. Okay, 12. No problem. 15 plus 28. It is 33 and 43. 43 plus 5,
43.
48, 48 plus 12, it
58.
is 60. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are making single bar graph. It is 0, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Okay, now we have to represent man, woman, boy and girl on the x-axis. Now you can see the maximum number of uh, women is 28. So we are taking here the 5 centimeter gap, sorry, 5 gap, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and it is 28. Okay, we have to write down 30, but we are, okay, first write down 30. Okay, see here now. Now we have to represent number of men. Number of men are 10. Sorry, 15 number of men. So it means it is 15. We are making one bar here. Number of women are 28. So 28 is below the 30. Okay, number of boy are 15. No, number of boy are 5. Number of girls are 12. 12 is above the 10. Here we have to write down the scaling. On y-axis, we are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 5 people. And on x-axis, we don't need to write down scaling because of we are not taking scaling. But just we have to write down 1 centimeter is equal to one thing. Which one thing? Male, woman, boy and girl. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down question number 2 fast. Please draw this every graph in your graph book. Okay?
Yes.
सर
Yes, बेटा.
सर हमें 5 लाइंस वाली ग्राफ बुक लेनी है या 10 लाइंस वाली?
10 लाइन वाली.
ओके
Written all of you?
No, sir.
Write down fast.
Sir, written.
Okay. Everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see question number 3 fast. Okay, now see question number 3. The weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory are using telemarks make a frequency table with interval 800 and 810, 810 and 820 and so on. Okay, now you can see first we have to make a telemarks, right? Whenever you make a telemarks from this given data, you can easily check we get some interval, and whenever you get interval it means it is histogram. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now first group 800 to 810, how many workers are there? We are just counting. See here. Okay, now count it. Between 800 to 810, first we have 810. Then second 804, 808, then 806, right? So it means between 800 to 810, we have four workers. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay, now between 810 to 820, between 810 to 820, first we have 820, then 812, right? Okay, there are two only. Okay, now between 820 to 830. Okay, now 820 to 830, it means 830 first, then
820.
no, but 820 count in 810 to 820. Now we have just only one between 820 to 830. Now between 830 to 840. Okay, between 830 to 840, in which one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there are 11 between 830 to 840. Okay, now between 840 to 850. Between 840 to, sorry, 830 to 840, no, 840 to 850, sorry. Between 840 to 850, 845 1, then 845 second, then, okay, only two we have. So between 840 to 45, two. Between 850 to 860 now. 850 to 860, in which 861, 850 by 2. Okay, there are two only. between 850 to 860. 860 to 870. Now 860 to 870, in which we have 869, then 868, 2. Between 870 to 880. 870 to 880, in which we have okay 878 first. Okay, only one we have, 878. Now 880 to 890. Okay, 880 to 890, in which 890 first, 890 second, 890 third, 885. Okay, there are four. In 890 to 900, 890 to 900, in which 898. Okay, only one we have. Okay, count the number of workers. 4 and 2, 6, 7, 7 and 11, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 6, 30 workers. Okay, now we have to represent this data in our histogram. Why? Because of it is group data, it is not individual data. Okay, we will do this histogram in next lecture. Okay, take a screenshot of this tally marks of this question number 4. Sorry, question number 3.
Sir, taken.
Sir, taken.
Taken all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now in next lecture we will do the histogram of this question. Okay? Okay, chalo. Bye. You have a nice day.